Both these bikes are stunning, they sound incredible, and are being ridden beautifully. But while they feel the same, one of these riders is 45% more likely to be involved in a serious crash. Because their bike doesn't have ABS, the rider doesn't have the confidence to brake as quickly and at 100 kilometers per hour. It could take an extra 9 meters to stop. Buy yourself 9 meters with ABS. To find out if your bike has ABS, visit vicroads.vic.gov.au/saferbikes.